just for you. Father big man and you two just got through. And every day you make my gray sky glue. And I always want to teach you something new. I see you caught up into your world, and then you're mixed up into your mind. Always wanna be someone else. I never wanna be your own self. Oh man, away, girl, you're missing all the charms.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom, you know.
I mean, I said the mark represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them mark say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright.
Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me they are. Whoa. You know the style me there, I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Ladies and gentlemen, coming to the stage. Are you ready? No, man, you're like, you sound like I'm ready. Let me ask you again, are you ready? That's what I'm talking about. Coming to the stage right now, straight out of Kingston, Jamaica. Norris Man, come on!
Give thanks and praise unto the Most High Emperor Selassie the First. Joe Rastafari. Yo, rhythm. On the leg of the rhythm. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Selassie. Well, I know said the Gideon rough. I know the fight is just perseverance. Yeah, oh yes. Persistence is to try through this precious time. Now give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you're down and in distress, never make Babylon know your weakness. All when your burden is the ABS, never make them know. Persistence is to try through this precious time. Now give up the fight. Jah is the way to life. All when you're down and in distress, never make Babylon know your weakness. All when your burden is the ABS, never make them know. Take it down, take it down. Them system of fraud, struggle it not easy, down a dirty, yeah, it hard. We now go sell out the soul, forget no round of applause. Positive movements, no negative thoughts. Tell them clean in them heart. Things what them do is not what we do. Things what them say, not what we say. Things what they preach, not what we preach. See the Trinity, them take dash for that. Yo, next track. You don't know there's a lot of artists here to work tonight. Big up yourselves, highly dread anywhere you're there. All the ladies, on the ready? Hey, Toronto, Canada, listen. For the moment you're feeling right, yo, wow. Give thanks and praise, man. Life is so precious, life is so wonderful. Yes, all the mothers in here tonight, you don't know. Woman is the mother of creation. You don't know, yeah. One more time for the ladies. Anyway. Oh, yeah. Hey, no sing with me, no sing with me. Listen, listen. For the moment you're feeling right, the moods and the ties are high. She says she never knew it. Says she never knew it till a Rasta man come in your life. For the moment you're feeling right. Again, the moods and the ties are high. Oh, you never knew. Say you never knew. Hear what? I pay no dues and send no rules to you. I make myself most available. So when she see me, she could look into my eyes. Tell her the truth and I will never say a lie. All years of your life, memories and your mind. For the moment you're feeling right. Anyway, the moods and the ties are high. Oh, you never knew. Say, dash for that. Yeah. We do give thanks, as I said. Blessed moment, wonderful moment, you don't know. Yeah, man, the general back in town, Kings of Kings. Yeah, you know, over the years, we have been promoting a lot of reggae show, you know. I legend Colin Lee, we've been reggae music in Toronto, Canada for many, many, many years. Yeah, man, we still believe in that and that way I do. Righteousness exalt the nation. You know me, I say, Haile Selassie is the Almighty. Righteousness cover the face of the earth. Run it! No bag of long talk still, you don't know. Anyway, one more for the ladies then. If I believe in love, I believe in love. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hey, I'm gonna see you know, you what? I make a sacrifice for you. Father big game and you two just got through. And every day you make my gray sky glue. And I always want to teach you something new. I see you caught up into your world, and then you mixed up into your boy, you know. Always want to be someone else. I never want to be your own self. Oh man, away girl, you're missing all the charms. No, my people, as I said before, so many entertainers to work tonight, you don't know. So we are work with the principle. Yo, run the next rhythm. Yo, Red Bull and Guineas in the bad man. Yo, George Beach, around here. Grand Spen. Yeah, Red Hills Road. Kingston, Jamaica. Mavado, big up yourself anywhere you're there. Go inside Damien, you know the whole crew. Listen, don't try to be a hero. Hey, hey, all you want to turn. Hey, Toronto, you like to do the live. Jump, jump, jump. See the new big black gun go over the yard. Yo, George P, say something. Run it.
Play about the rhythm there. Big up yourself, Norris Man. Big up the whole of Toronto. Big up all of the mothers them. You need to get the president. I want you to normal. I want you to say get the president. Get used to it. Norris Man, big up yourself. Big up all the ladies them. Big up all of the youth them. Big up all of the big man them. Highly jet. You know the code go. I want them real get the president. Get used to it when they see me. From walking on the place and people, some face to the people in my shout out, real get the president. Like every base and a chase, me a chase. People in my shout out, real get the president. No set evident, we when the resident, the people in level rhythm, I'ma talk to them. Me and the real get the president to stand for the poor. When them broke our uncle, them come and knock on my door. Better than Hancho, Porsche for sure. Show them love, them never feel insecure. Grand spend, Tita, straight to Portmore. No murder, peace indoor or outdoor. Get the youth to advance, big house and big store. Girl just more wise, education before. Walking at the place, people see my face. People in my show.
As Mr. Big up yourself again, Harley Chad. Hey, run it! Yo, take it down a little bit low. You see them want we do evil things, but we're not going to do evil things, we're going to do righteous things. Run the rhythm. Yo, run the rhythm. Rhythm up, rhythm up. Hear me now. You know why I say this? I know why you listen to the lyrics. Not try to be a hero. How you're going to turn zero. This is not a gunman tune. This is a tune about the youths them of today in Jamaica. So why you listen to the lyrics one more time before me left here. Listen. See them now, big long gun go over them yard, kill Uncle Joe and anti-dog. Them a get a youth ya move, big long gun go over them yard, kill Uncle Joe and anti-dog. Here one, listen. Glock for inna me hand is what them waiting for. To kill up a bullet for them is not them waiting for. Say that them a star rap and scraping star. Them try to diss King Selassie inna the greatest war. Man not drink down inna the shafting star. Conquering lion inna the brave thing star. Hear me now, a righteousness cover the face of the earth. I legend, big up yourself. Passing through, you don't know, Toronto, Canada. Yeah man, Selassie, Rastafari.
Yeah. Come on, make some noise. My God, Norris Man, believe me.
Yeah, this is the Youre Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right. Good. Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Chad
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr.
Kings
Chad
of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Yes, Kings of Kings. Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah. Messenger.